What is going on, guys? Apocalypse RC back here again, and today I'm going to be showing you how to take the front shock. I forgot what they're called now. Anyway, taking these off here, because I already took the back ones off, as you can see off camera. I've just got the bolts stuck in them. Don't think that's going to... oh, there we go. So, yeah, also I've removed the ESC off it too. All I had to do was pull the cable through, just around here. I don't know if you can see that, but it just fits through that little gap there. So yeah, let's get on to this. I'm just going to put you down and we'll get on to doing this. Can you see that there? So I'm just going to show you what you need to do first up close, so you can see what you're doing. So we're going to need to take these off. It's not focusing. Pop them off. There's two of them, one on each side. And we're going to take each bolt of these out, and it should just come off straight away. So let's get to it. So I'm just going to pop these off. They're not easy to get off, to be honest. And the other one. There's the other one. They're actually quite tough, to be honest. So just fold them over so they don't get in your way. Then you're going to need to just take these bolts out. Like so. Thanks for all the support, guys. So please subscribe. There should be more videos coming in 2014 because I didn't really get into it in 2013, to be honest. So hopefully there'll be more videos in 2014 for you. So subscribe for the upcoming videos. Yep, and there we have it. We've got that off straight away. Easier than I thought, to be honest, but yeah, so I've took the back ones off. I've got a surprise for you, and look what I did. I made it blue. So in the next video we're going to be putting it all back on, all back together. I ain't going to be taking anything else apart now, so it's just going to be all being put back together. And there's not really much I really wanted to do. I only took these things off so that I could actually paint them. So that's the whole reason why I did this bit of a series type thing. So thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next video.